Hi everyone, my name's Sarah Muckle. I'm Director of Public Health here in Bradford, and I just wanted to send you this message firstly to say thanks for all that you're doing. I realise how tough it's been over the last 9 months dealing with a pandemic. I know you've all had to deal with things that you never thought you would have to, and the workload has been truly challenging at times and sometimes unmanageable. You've been doing a great job, and you're really key to keeping the infection levels down in our care homes, and it's really appreciated in terms of all that you're doing. I just wanted to reinforce some of the key things we need you to keep doing, both in your work and personal life, in order to keep the virus out of our care homes. We are starting to see another increase of cases in our care homes. Part of that may very well be that we've got a new variant of COVID-19. We know it's 50% more infectious than the previous strain, and this means we need to continue to be extra vigilant and in order to keep our residents safe. I know you're doing all you can, but over time often behaviours can change and can slip a little bit, even without us realising it, and we're seeing many people become more complacent, and before you know it, people are not washing their hands as often. 2 metres apart gradually becomes 1 metre, which means transmission can happen much more easily, and people are forgetting to wear face masks because they've left them at home, or they're just doing something quickly and it might not be needed. Please can I ask you to continue with the good work you have been doing. Please continue to follow that hands, face, space message. Washing your hands regularly, remembering your face masks on places like public transport and in areas where you know social distancing isn't possible, and also keeping at least 2 metres apart from people you don't live with, and being extra cautious when you're out and about doing your essential shopping when you're in lockdown. I know that the vaccine has given us hope, and it feels as though there's some light at the end of the tunnel. But we still need to be as vigilant as we were before and follow those basic rules, because during lockdown it's going to give us the best chance possible to be able to bring the number of cases down in our district, and takes us one step further to getting some level of normal life back, where we're not under such strict restrictions. Finally, just thanks again for all that you're doing. It's really appreciated by me and by others in the council. We know how difficult this is for people who are working on the front line, and I know how committed you are to keeping our residents safe. So thanks again. Fingers crossed we can really get this virus under control, and we can try really hard during this period of lockdown to try and make sure this is the last one that we have to endure, and we can start to take steps towards seeing people and family that we want to see. Stay safe everyone, and thanks again.